So hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial I'll show you how to share Wi-Fi password through QR code. So let's get started. At first, make sure you have the setting app available on your device. So let's open it. Now see, this is the inbox of your setting and you should have to tap on network and internet. So tap on it. Now tap on internet. Then scroll down below and tap on saved networks. Now choose a Wi-Fi connection which you want to share your QR code or password. So I am tapping here. Now you can see the option of forget and share on the bottom of your screen. So you should have to tap on share, which is available on the right side of your screen. So tap on it. Now verify it's you through your fingerprint or you can use your PIN. Now see, you can find or you can see the QR code, even you can see the password as well. And that's it. You can screenshot it or you can simply tap on quick share and send it whenever or wherever you want. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe and also hit the bell icon for more easy tutorials. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye, take care, have a great day.